So guys, welcome to How You Doing? So my name is Goodness, your boy, giving you updates on JavaScript on how to be a good programmer. So today we're going to learn how to do what? Digital clock. A digital clock can be applied in anywhere in your program, and learning how to build it is a very nice component you can attach to your project. So stay tuned, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends, come on board and let's learn together. Thank you. Okay guys, welcome. How you doing today? So I'm so glad to be here again one more time to give you this tutorial that's going to help you what build your career in tech. You understand? So today we're going to learn how to build what a digital clock. A digital clock, we all know the value. Yes, it help us keep time. But we're going to learn how to use what HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build a digital clock you can apply in any of your project. So right here, what is going on now? I've already opened my VS Code by the right. Also open my browser by the left. So we're going to, whatever you're coding, we're going to preview it, we're going to be seeing it by the what left. So now, first thing first, what we're going to do, we're going to create a boilerplate for what's HTML. And how do we do that? So I'm going to create a new file which is index.html. Okay, I'm going to create another file again. I'm going to create another file which was style.css, how we style our clock. I'm going to create a final file which is what function.js. Okay, so now we have created these our three files. Then what are we going to do next? Very important. What are we going to do next? Let us create our boilerplate. We start with our HTML. So I'm going to close this up like this. Okay, so now on our HTML, I'm going to do shift number 1, which is give us an exclamation mark. Then you press your tab, you understand, to call out the boilerplate. So right here is our boilerplate. You see that this is our boilerplate here. So go right on and what convert this document, change it to what digital clock. Okay, so that is that, change digital clock. Okay, then what's going to do next now? Then we are going to write our programs in the body of the HTML. Okay, so first we're going to do what we're going to link first our style file and our JavaScript file. So we're going to come on the right under the title, we're going to put link tab dot slash style.css. Then also go down before the last border, do a script, then put your src tab dot slash your function. Good. So now that we have already gotten our boilerplate ready, now let's start putting on our files. Okay, but let's preview now. Let's see whether we will see any stuff. So when you right click, open with what live server. Live server is an extension that will help us to be able to preview our work on the browser as we are working on our VS Code. Are we there? Okay, so it's coming up in the next few moments. Yes, our server is running on port 5500. Okay, now let's start putting our tools. So first we're going to do what? A div. So div, we're going to call it what? Give it a class of what? Clock. Okay, so that's the first we're going to do. Then next we're going to give what? A header. So we're going to put a h1, the id time. So shift number 3, then time will be the name of our id for that header. So here we're going to specify our zeros, the time clock we're going to use. So we're going to do 00 column 00 column 00. So this is only what you need for the digital clock on your HTML, right? So let's go over to our CSS and style this baby up. Let's go there, boy. Okay, so go to our CSS now. It won't take us so much because this is a very quick project that will help you know how to use CSS, HTML, and JavaScript together. So first we're going to specify on the body. So on the body, we're going to say our font family. We're going to choose a font family area. So we're going to use area as our font family. Now guys, watch out. Watch my left hand. It is changing automatically. Whatever we place, it is changing automatically in our left hand. Okay, so we're going to choose what display. Yeah, we're going to make it flex. Okay, so next we're going to put us justify content. We're going to put it center. Okay, so to bring our content to center. Good. Then we're going to do what? Align items center. Okay, so we're going to bring it. Okay, align item center. Good. Don't worry about it, you're going to change up. Let's continue. Okay, then we're going to put what? Our They're going to put our height. Our height now, let's specify our height to be what? 100 VH. VH means the view width. That means the maximum height of the screen from here to here. We're gonna specify. So that's why this object came down to the middle. Okay, they're gonna put a background color. Our background color will be what? Let's use ash 222. Okay, that will be our background color. It's dark, right? Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. We are going to learn a lot from it. They're going to choose our color. Yes, we're going to choose our color. We're going to use an RGB bracket 114 comma 253 comma 71. Good. So this is the color we're going to use for our timer. Are we there? Are you guys there with me? So please, if you are following up, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Then we're going to specify our clock. So dot clock. Okay, so we're going to start our clock now. How we're going to do this, our clock. Now first we're going to specify the font size. We're going to put 3 rem, right? So it's going to make big clock. Yes. Then we're going to choose our background color. We're going to specify background color has 444. So don't worry, all this stuff, I avoiding what? Predefine them. I'll also push them to the GitHub account. So I'll send you the GitHub repo so you will go through it and get the code by yourself. Don't worry, whatever tutorial I'm doing, I'll make sure I push them on GitHub so you can be able to have access to the source code. Okay, but then if you follow through, you're still going to get it. Okay, so this is the background color of the clock. They're going to put our padding 20 pixel. Okay, so that is that. We're going to put our border radius. Our border radius is going to be 10 pixel. Yes, the space, the curving of our borders is 20 pixel. Then box shadow, very important. Our box shadow, I'm going to use 0 pixel, 4 pixel, 10 pixel. Then I will specify a color RGBA. Okay, we're going to put the bracket 0, 0, 0.2. Okay, so yeah, you made it black a little bit. Yes, make it black a little bit. Okay, so now that I've gotten this specified, we have already given our color specified. Then we're going to put text align what? Center. Okay, so I've aligned the text to center. Don't worry, everything will play out very soon. Okay, so now we have done with the CSS. Let's go over to the what? JavaScript. Are you guys with me? Man? Yeah, I love this class. Okay, so now first, we're going to call up our a function which is update clock. Okay, so the function is going to be function update clock. Will be the name of the function. So right now we're going to put our curly braces. They're going to put let now equals to new date. So our new date will specify to now. So we're going to put it just like this. Okay, just like that. Then we're going to put our column down. This helps us get our current time. Then let our hours be equal to our now dot get hours. Okay, so no problem. So I'm gonna do one thing now. Okay, dot get now, we get our hours. Okay, then we're gonna put a bracket, then go to the next one. They're gonna put let minutes equals to now dot get minutes. Okay, so we have got our minutes. We're going to choose our seconds now. Our seconds will be equals to now dot get seconds. Okay, now dot get seconds. So now we have specified our variables by bringing in our hour variable, our minute variable, and our second variable. So we have already specified them to our now get hour, now get minutes, and now get seconds. Now let us format the time. So let's format the time. So formatting the time, let's format time to always have 2 digits. So we're going to put our hours. Let me so format time to get to always have 2 digits. Okay, to always have 2 digits. Then we're going to do what? Our hours, our variable hours that is over there on top of there will be equal to what? Hours greater less than 10 question mark. We're going to put it as 0 plus hours, else we show our hours. So what this thing means, that this thing what this thing means here, that now this is a condition, this is a condition that shows our hours. If our hours is less than 10, okay, let it be what? 0 plus the current hour, else let it show us just the current hour. Okay, we're going to add the 0 to our current hour, else let it just be our current hour. Yes, just it's going to be a few one. Okay, then the minutes, under minutes we'll also do the same thing. Minutes, so under minutes, if minutes is less than 10, okay, that less than 10, which is 2 digits, we are going to what? Add 0 in front of the minutes. Okay, then else let it just give us the normal what? Minute. So except if it is more than 10, it's going to give us just normal minutes without adding the zeros to it. Okay, set it at what? Our seconds. No worry, you will see all these things flesh out as we go on. So our seconds now, so seconds the same thing. Our seconds, if our seconds is less than 10, let it add what? 0 in front of that particular current number. Okay, else you should show us our normal seconds. Yeah, okay, so that is that. So now that we have actually done the logic, then let's update the clock. So we're going to put what? Update the clock display. Okay, now we're going to put a document.getElement, document.get element by id. Yes, we're going to get our time element. Remember our time element that we styled in the index. We're going to put a dot inner html. Okay, or you can say dot inner text, whichever one fits for you, but let's try text on this one. Okay, now we're going to put our tick back. Don't forget, this is tick back, this is tick back sign here, tick back. Okay, we want to put our double tick back, then we're going to put our dollar sign. Okay, then we're going to put our curly braces, then put our hours, which we want to make this what? Dynamic. So we want to make it a dynamic, to call the actual dynamic time. Then a dollar sign again with our curly braces, which will give us a dynamic what? Minutes. Okay, then we're going to do this, put our dollar sign again, then we're going to put what? Our dollar sign, then we're going to make what? A dynamic what? Seconds. Okay, so guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and join more. Oh boy, tell your friends to come on board and let's learn more. So now that we have updated our clock, then what we're going to do now, let's update the clock every second. We're going to update the clock every second. So it's going to be update the clock every seconds. Okay, so that will be set interval. We're going to make a set interval. Okay, set interval updates. We're going to give it a time that is going to update. So update it by 1000 milliseconds, so that it will be like in a minute it clicks, like it clicks. Okay, so like in a second it clicks, just clicks. Then now we're going to put a callback function to prevent 1 second delay. A callback function to prevent 1 second delay. So we're going to put a callback function to prevent 1 second delay. Nobody wants to waste their time, so that is why we use what to this to prevent a delay. So we're going to put what update clock. So guys, there you have it. So this is how we build our clock. Now finally, see, I've not saved this, so I'm going to click on save now. Let's see how our clock comes to life. So just give it some moments. Wow, I seen that your clock is working. So currently this is 3, this is to 4, so this is showing like 15:59. This is seconds, this is 4 o'clock now. So guys, this is 16:04:05. So thank you guys for staying through. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'd like to hear your comments in the comment section. Anyone that you don't understand, let us know. I'll give you updates on it. Do have a nice time. Bye bye. I still love you. From Goodness, have a nice day.